Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is a very brief and short video where I just wanted to hear if anybody could help me. I bought this Mirabilia cross stitch, a full kit of a vendor in UK, and I have got this one. I think she's beautiful, and the reason why I chose it is that she has a lot of DMC, or she only has DMC's colors and beads, so I thought that as a beginner with Mirabilia's, this one would be nice to start with, and I really love her butterflies, and yeah, so she's pretty, and she has a wand, and yeah, so she's really pretty. But yeah, you can also see here's the beads, also really pretty. Look at those blue ones and some other ones. Yeah, you can see here where I bought it. And yeah, so everything looks good, and I can also, if I can find it, show you the DMC colors. Beautiful colors. They look perfect. I haven't checked that part, but what I was wondering about was this linen that I bought in the kit. I'm totally newbie, and I've never stitched on linen before, so I just took and folded it out, and there I just saw something which I'm a bit wondering or concerned about. You see here, there's weaving errors on it. There's one here which is spot in the middle of the canvas. Not sure if I can cover it or what I'm supposed to do with it. Is this a mistake? Is this something that I need to contact the seller about, or is it something that I can do anything with and just hide? And there's probably also, how can I see what is front and back on this canvas? Help. Here there's another weaving mistake, and they're sort of scattered all over the place also here. And if I turn it around, there's also on this side, so I'm a bit worried here whether I should contact the seller or if I should just cross stitch above it or over it. But if this isn't covered up, it's going to look really weird with such a spot, doesn't it? So please calling out for help. If there's anybody knowing anything about cross stitch, yeah, help. So yeah, but short and sweet. Probably going to it's also because I really wanted to start it, because I was so excited also to try and stitch on a canvas like this, but I'm just really concerned with the weaving of this fabric. So yeah, hope that you can help me. Comment below if you know anything, or email me at mycraftfamily@gmail.com. Please. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Give me a thumbs up and so on. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed.